second part which comes, and this is coming from your ERP systems, where I would have in my ERP hundreds of thousands of materials, and I need to get the data from those and make my decisions. So let me log into SAP. So in SAP, you are mainly looking for two tables: the text, which we need here. So this is the SAP Material Master. This is the SAP Material Master, and what we are getting is plant data, the material number, whether it's deleted or not, commodity code for the material, the language, and the text. So that's the core information which we need to determine the tariff code and the percentages from SAP or your ERP system. So what we are going to do here is, the data is there in two tables, MARC and MAKT. So what we have done is to QBI. There's already a no-code tool within SAP to get the MARC and MAKT data. And if you execute this query specific to, so we are running it for plant 2300 and we want English language. Yeah, I get this list of material which I want to check for the tariff schedule, right? So fortunately, what I can do on my PowerBI is ask PowerBI to get this query. This query is basically what we are getting from SAP, and we are getting an ALV list running with the same parameters. So when I run this, it goes and fetches all of these materials from the ERP. And let's quickly walk through. We get the plant code, material number, if it is deleted, commodity code, and language, and the text. So that's the information I need. I can also click here on any of the material codes, and what it does, it launches my SAP screen and directly takes me to the material change screen on MM02 with this material number selected, right? So I find this to be pretty useful, if we need to, let's say, change this particular material. It directly launches me to MM02 and with this material number, and I can go ahead and edit it. So no alt tab, switching back, copy paste, etc. It just goes in there and does what it needs to do. So now we have the HTS search data from government database. We have the SAP material codes and the information which we need, along with the current tariff numbers. Now let's see, in the next section, we'll see how I can marry these two. That is, combine the SAP material code with the HTS hierarchy. All right. So what did we do? We first made an easy way for us to go through the government tariffs database and do a search, find the matching codes with the percentages, and also do some more research based on the previous rulings. The second thing which we did was to get from your ERP the SAP material code, material information like text, deletion indicator, as well as the tariff number or the code, commodity code, which is currently in the SAP database. Next, what we will do is to match those two and suggest the right codes from the government database.